Ooh, we're going to create our first variable. A variable is something that you're going to store temporarily, and it's just really a location in memory. Here are a couple examples. I'm going to create a variable, and I'm going to call it name. I'm going to create another variable and call it upper name, and I'm going to have upper capitalized. You see, you can have capital letters in Python, no problem. You just cannot use them for keywords unless those keywords are true, false, or none, which means null. So let's take a look at this. Our variable is called name. Name equals Tom. And then I say print name, and it prints out Tom. Here's my next example. I'm going to say upper name equals, and again, I can have capitals. Tara capitalized, capital T-O-M, and then I print upper name. So you have no problem using capitals in any variable names. As a matter of fact, a variable name must start with a letter, capitalized or not, and then it's going to contain a series of letters, numbers, or underscores. Here we're going to learn a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to print off my first line. Then notice the second example. This is how you create an empty line to say move down. So now we're going to have an empty line. Then I'm going to print another line. And now look at the fourth line. This is how you get an apostrophe, especially if you're using single quotes. If you put an apostrophe in, Python could easily say, oh, they're ending the first single quote. That's not the case here, because right in front where we want the apostrophe, I put a backslash in, and that says this is an apostrophe, not ending that previous single quote, and that's how you get an apostrophe. 2 times 2 is 4. What's 2 times single quote T? Single quote. 2 T's. What's 10 times T? 10 T's in Python come out. This is a great way to indent. Look at this. I'm going to say print, open paren, 10 times single quote space single quote, comma, and then I'm going to actually print out a line. It's going to indent 10 spaces. The next one, I'm indenting 10 spaces, and then I'm going to make it even look nicer by indenting 15 spaces. What a great way to really learn how to format forms and things of this nature. Addresses. You can put things where you want in Python by using that great little technique.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need a query tool that makes joins easy? The Nexus has a join builder that turns the most complex joins into child's play. The Nexus Query Chameleon, making connections easy again. Visit coffingdw.com for more information.